Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today we are doing a fill in the blank question. So the question is 4 raised to 51 into 25 raised to 49 is equals to dash into 10 raised to 99. So now over here what we can do is we'll take 4 raised to 49 separate, and here we can just write what 4 raised to 2. Why? Because always remember a raised to m into a raised to n is nothing but a raised to m plus n. So basically this is eventually coming out to be 51, and this is 2 raised to 49. Now you might be wondering, why did I do 49? Because here also the index is 49. Okay, so we are now getting 4 square is 16 into 4 into 25 the whole raised to 49. Why? Because a raised to m into b raised to m can be written as what? ab the whole raised to m. Okay, so now we are having 16 into 4 into 25 is what? 100 the whole raised to 49. Now the problem over here is we have 10. So instead of this 100 we can write this in terms of 10. So which will now become 16 into 10 raised square the whole raised to 49. So this now becomes 16 into 10 raised to a raised to m the whole raised to n is nothing but what? A raised to m into n. So this will now become 98. Now problem over here is we have 99. So we will have to take one more 10 over here. So we want one more 10 over here. So we'll divide this with 10 as well. So this changes to 16 upon 10 into 10 into 10 raised to 98. This eventually now becomes 16 upon 10 into 10 raised to 99. So 16 upon 10 is nothing but what? 1.6. So the answer for this question is 1.6. Now coming to your DIY, I want you all to tell me, before going ahead, please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Now I want you to tell me that what is, or rather fill in the blank for 2 raised to 62 into 50 raised to 60 is equal to blank into 10 raised to 120. Do let me know your answers in the comment section. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.